Hey developer, Kintsugi AI is hiring for the engineering interns role and the work location is remote. Talking about the required qualifications, currently pursuing a degree in CS or related field. Means 2026 and 27 upcoming passouts batch can apply for this role. And talking about the required skills, familiarity with one or more programming languages like Python, TypeScript, JavaScript, and interest in automation, backend development, system integration, strong problem solving and debugging skills, excellent communication and collaboration skills. So these are the required skills, and bonus skills like experience with RESTful APIs, webhooks, or cloud-based services like AWS, GCP, and workflow automation, exposure, N8N, Airflow, Temporal. So these are the basic required skills for this internship role. So basically Python, TypeScript, JavaScript or similar languages is required, and required basic knowledge in front end and back end automation. So, and here is the key responsibilities. You can read to more about this hiring. So in this video, apply link below the description and hit like button, do comment and subscribe Skill Layer for more job updates.